Hey guys, hello there, what's up and welcome back with Rider Oxide's channel. We are starting a flyby fast bike. Okay, so this was a flyby about Rider Oxide's r15. So we are going to be continuing in the next video. Thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoyed this. So here it is, the another round. You will like it for sure. Okay, here we are back and hope you like this. So rock on. Bye.